Hey guys, it's your girl Shella. How do you like my new hair color after my big chop? After those dreads got cut out of my hair. How do you like it? Let me know. Oh yeah. All right, you guys. So y'all saw what my daughter did to my hair at the big chop. Now I'm gonna put some color in it. Put some color. This is my color that I use. And y'all gonna see my hair after I've done that. So this is it, y'all. This is it. See you guys in a few. Let's see what it looks like then. All right, you guys. This is the color. I'm getting ready to do a washy wash. Y'all see my hair? All right. I just want y'all to see what I've done so far. Get a little close up there. That's my hair. All right. See you guys after I get done getting out of my hair. Oh yeah. Transformation Sunday. And this is just all of my new growth because my daughter cut all of those dreads out of my hair. I had to cut it all out. So this is just all of my new growth, you guys. You see that? This is just straight new growth right there. Yep. All right, y'all. I just washed the color out of my hair. Y'all want to see it? There it is. Auburn brown. All right. Let's get this party started. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product. How do you like my hair color? How do you like my hair? How do you like it? See this? This is my hair now. This is my hair. Just gotta brush back for now, but that's it. Thank you guys for watching me on my journey and my transformation from my dreaded hair to now my cut and dyed hair. Thank y'all for joining me.